to my channel. I am Bella and I have my sister here again today. This is Brenda. So in today's video I am going to be doing Brenda's makeup. So I'm going to be recreating one of my makeup on Brenda. I'm going to insert a picture for you guys to see. I'm trying to,
and at the end of it I'm gonna look exactly like her.
well, not exactly, but I'm trying to make her look like me. So I'm going to, well, yeah, I'm going to be doing her makeup and wearing the same hair I had on her, so she can look like me, you know. She already looks like me, but I want her to.
Well, you look like me.
You look like me.
No, you
me.
you look like me.
No.
Whatever.
She looks like me, not me looking my hair. So I'm going to recreate my makeup look on her and see how that goes. If you haven't watched our previous video, please make sure, I'm going to link it down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. We did a 5-minute makeup challenge. It was so crazy. Make sure to check that video out and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think
and give it a thumbs up.
Huge thumbs up, guys. Alright. She hasn't got a name. She's like huge thumbs up, guys.
Bye.
But yeah, anyway, let's get right into this video. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make you look beautiful.
Give me rowdy.
School.
Hey Naka, welcome back.
Hello. How are you?
Good. So my kid sister came back from school. Do you wanna come say hello, Inaka?
Say hello. Okay. Hello.
Ben.
Hi everyone.
Ben.
Hi. This is
sister.
our actress in the house.
Yeah. She's a drama queen.
She's a drama queen. She's a drama queen.
Go on,
Really?
go and change.
Don't change.
Kumba.
They're not nice. They're not nice. palette and this palette to get my look.
Give me
This is
rowdy.
from, I don't know. I got this off. So I'm going with this shade. Just because I'll be using the long dark type of
Give me rowdy. Let me just go and check the
what? Which one? Sorry.
Whose video? Give me rowdy. Exactly like you. You know the day you left with this makeup look. I look exactly like you. Exactly. Oh my god, look at these. Now you can take this to club.
So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me recreating my look and my sister. She looks exactly like me, I think. I'll insert a picture for you guys to see what I was trying to get. I think it came out perfectly well, right?
Yeah, I think it did, because this is the picture, and if I could just pose like this.
She's trying to recreate the pose as well, which she's gonna have a hard time doing that. she's actually gonna have a hard time doing that. This is the end of this video, guys. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know how I did. You know, tell me, rate my recreation. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to watch and like our previous video as well, which is going to be done in the description box. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.